Welcome to MSP TV. Today, we are covering an essential topic: essential tips for installing a high-capacity UPS system safely. If you are setting up a UPS system, proper installation is crucial for efficiency and safety. Let's dive into the key steps to get it right. First, assess your power requirements. Calculate the total power consumption of all devices connected to the UPS. This ensures you select a system that can handle your equipment during power outages. Not all UPS systems are the same. Choose between standby, line interactive, or double conversion UPS based on your specific needs and the criticality of your equipment. Always install your UPS in a well-ventilated area, away from dust, moisture, and direct sunlight. This helps prevent overheating and extends the lifespan of the system. Before installation, verify that your electrical system can support the UPS. Make sure your panels and circuits meet the required capacity for a safe and stable operation. Always use high-quality wiring and avoid overloading power outlets. Adding a surge protector is also crucial to shield your UPS and connected devices from unexpected voltage spikes. To ensure long-term reliability, set up a maintenance schedule. Regular testing and inspections help prevent failures and extend the life of your UPS system. By following these steps, you can safely install and maintain your high-capacity UPS system for uninterrupted power protection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert tips.